Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect Vercel to Supabase. So first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then it's in the search bar at the top. You just have to search for Supabase, and then you have to log into your account. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to tap on these options that we have at the left side corner of our screen, and then tap on the project settings. Okay, and then after that, you'll be able to see here now the project settings options. So you just have to tap on the integrations. And right here for the integrations, we have the Vercel integrations. So we just have to install this one. So the Supabase will keep your environment variables up to date in each of the projects you assign to a Supabase project. And you can also link multiple Vercel projects to the same Supabase project. So tap on the install option. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then here for this integration, you have this overview. Okay. And of course, some of the benefits from using these integrations are product installations, external integration connection. And yeah, this is the preview once you have successfully connected the Vercel to Supabase. After that, just simply tap on the install option. Okay, so we have these options right here. So I'm just going to select the second one and then tap on continue. That's right. And then you just have to select your team. After that, tap on connect account. So just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you're done, just have to simply tap on install integration. Okay, so you also need to make sure that your Supabase account is upgraded, your plan is upgraded. Okay, so after that, you can now configure and manage the access of the Supabase to Vercel. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.